Well, as the finance manager here, it's my responsibility to review your protection options with you. And the vehicle that you're purchasing today is a substantial investment. It's actually, purchasing a vehicle is the second most important purchase that a consumer will make next to purchasing their home. So I'm going to review your protection options with you that we offer here. And if you have any questions along the way, please just stop and ask me. And then I would also be proposing the guaranteed auto protection. Now I know that you had a total loss on a previous vehicle, and what I was hearing from you is I don't believe that you had guaranteed auto protection on that. You had some out-of-pocket expenses that were incurred to kind of wrap up and close that that total loss up with the lender. Does that sound right?
$4,000.
$4,000.
Yeah, a lot of money.
Quite a bit of money to cover when you're not even driving that vehicle anymore.
Right.
So what guaranteed auto protection is going to do is it's going to protect you in the case of a total loss, so that you don't have those unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. So you're purchasing your vehicle today for $22,995. Let's say 3 years from now you have a total loss and the loan amount is $19,000. As you've experienced, the insurance company is going to determine what the current value is at the time of the total loss of the vehicle. So 3 years from now, your loan amount is $19,000. The insurance company determines the value to be $18,000. Now you have a $1,000 difference. And how much is your deductible?
$1,000.
$1,000. So then what we do is we take the $1,000 deductible, and that's a total of $2,000. So now you have a deficiency amount of $2,000 that needs to be made up out of your own pocket, because the insurance company is only going to pay to the lender what they have valued the vehicle at. So this $2,000 is the amount that you would need to come up with. Guaranteed auto protection is going to cover this deficiency so that you come up with a $0 amount and you can start out fresh in a new vehicle without having to write out a check, and all you need to worry about is what vehicle am I going to get, what color it's going to be, and where am I going to go purchase that vehicle. And I would hope it would be back here with us.
Yeah.
Okay? So I'm sure you can see the benefit of the guaranteed auto protection.
Definitely.
Definitely.
I definitely do, yeah.
Definitely.